The goal of this code is to avoid this behavior, which means when we click several times on the same buttons of the same windows, or when we go forward and backwards between the same windows and then we click on the back button, we don't have to repeat all the navigation steps to go to the home screen. This is the first activity corresponding to the main window. Here we have our play button. When we click on the web play button, as explained or described in the corresponding XML file, we will call the method show categories. If we go to the corresponding code in main activity.java, here we have our show categories method, and here we create our intent to create the activity categories that we are going or we want to display. Here we add our flags, the flag activity clear top and flag activity single top. Then we start the activity with the intent created with the flag already set. Same thing here, we have our activity categories. When we click on the home button here, we have our function, or we call the function show home. Again, if we go to the corresponding code in categories in the Java file, here we create our intent that we will call the main activity class. Then we will set our flags. Then we call or we start the activity. Now we have the behavior we want. Even if we go forward and backward several times between the two same windows, when we click on the back button, it will go only 2 times in this case before going to the home screen.